everyone, this is Maria, and today I have another fun toy unboxing from the 99-cent only store. These are called Zomblies in the Town Magic Trick Hotel. And so each one of these little haunted hotels come with 2 exclusive glow-in-the-dark Zomblies, and you can make your Zomblies appear and disappear. These are for ages 3 and older, and they're made by What's Not Toys. Now, I did do another Zombling unboxing, and I'll be sure to link that at the end of this video if you would like to watch that. And so, these come in 3 different colors. I paid only 99 cents each, and so they come in this bright orange, this pretty blue, and this green. So let's go ahead and open this one. And so I'm going to remove this cello wrap. Just pull from the back here. It comes off very easily, just like that. And look at the detail of this little haunted hotel. Oh my gosh, it looks like a haunted house. I just love this. Look at the turret, all of the windows that are boarded up, and here are the stairs that come to the door. Oh my gosh, this is really detailed. And then here are the windows on the side of the house, the little windows up here. This is the back of the house. Wow, I love the detail. And then here is the side of the house, and we're back to the front of the house again. So inside we are going to find 2 Zomblings. Are you ready? Let's go ahead and open the house. Creak. That's me, you guys. I'm just making some haunted house sound effects. Okay, it looks like it's empty. I don't see anything inside. Do you? Nope. I don't see anything. Okay, so let's close it, and let's go to the bottom here. There's this little notch here, and let's go ahead and pull. I'm going to pull toward me, put my finger right in there. Did you see that move? Okay, so let's go ahead. Oh my gosh, there's our prize, our Zombling surprise. So let's see who they are. There is a collector's guide in here, or some sort of little booklet here. Let's see what it says. And so it says Zomblies in the Town Magic Tree House. Oh, here there's Gustav and Wilfred. Those are our Zomblings. Here are the instructions. Looks pretty easy. So I've already opened a couple of them, and that's how I discovered that it's the same Zomblings in each one of these magic trick hotels. So we're just gonna open one. And so here are the instructions. Let's go ahead and look at our Zomblings. Here's one, and here's the other. I'm going to take my scissors and snip off one end. And I'm also going to do that for the second one. There we go. And let's go ahead and take a closer look. Oh my gosh, look at this. Now this is Wilfred. This is Wilfred, and it looks like he holds the key. He holds the key maybe to the house, to the hotel, or the elevator. And so let's go ahead and put Wilfred right there. And this one here, oh my gosh, look at his eyes. That is so cute. That is really cute. Look at his little tail. And so this is Gustav. So Gustav and Wilfred. And so those are our 2 Zomblings. And I think they're really excited to show you how this works. And so we're going to put them right in here. And let's go ahead and fit Wilfred in. Move over just a little bit, Gustav. There you go. They're inside the elevator at the haunted hotel. I want to call it a haunted hotel, but it's called the Magic Trick Hotel. But let's call it the haunted hotel. And so let's go ahead and close that. It didn't close all the way. There we go. What I did is I just pulled that back, so it's closed all the way. And so I'm going to, let's see. Oops, they're still there. Peekaboo. So let's close it again. And this time, let's move it back. And they're gone. They disappeared. I wonder where they went. So where is Gustav and Wilfred? I have no idea. So let's go ahead and close this again. And let's go right here. Remember right here, that little notch, we're going to move it back like towards you. You can see that little crack there. And there they little shaky too. I think they were scared. It's okay, Wilfred. It's okay, Gustav. You did a good job for this video. And let's go ahead one more time. And so Wilfred, he's not afraid. He has the key. And so they're gone again, you guys. They're gone. And so they probably have gone to the basement of the Magic Trick Haunted Hotel. Anyways, these are really called Zomblies in the Town Magic Trick Hotel. Just having a little fun here. Oh my gosh, I love this. I really love this. And there they are. And there they're not. So here is my honest opinion about the Zomblies in the Town Magic Tree Hotel. I love it. I love this so much. I highly recommend these. 2 thumbs up. Yes, they deserve an applause. Gustav and Wilfred, you're very good actors. I love the way they disappear and reappear. They also glow in the dark, although it's not dark here, but I'm just going to believe they're going to glow in the dark. I think these are great gifts. They're great stocking stuffers. You can give them away as presents. You can just buy them for yourself. So in the comments below, let me know what you think about the Zomblies in the Town Magic Trick Hotel. And if you have not subscribed to my channel already and you enjoyed this video, this toy unboxing, be sure to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell. And also be sure to share with your friends. Thanks for watching, everyone, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye! So I've got to find Gustav and Wilfred. Let's see if we could find them. Nope, no one there. Uh-oh, let's see. There they are.